And guess what? It's going to be all right because you're a winner. It's going to be all right because you got that dog in you. It's going to be all right because you powerful. It's going to be all right because you strong. It's going to be all right because you prepared for it. God prepared you for this. This journey is yours. That success is already yours. Those goals and those dreams are already yours. Take responsibility and take action right now. Grind right now. Work right now. Hey, success ain't got no days off. Hey, your goals, they don't take no vacations. Lil Susie and Lil Johnny, who want the same thing you want, they ain't on vacation. They ain't looking around to have no stops on their journey. They going full steam ahead.
Hey, we live now, really.
What's going on, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode on Say It With Me, the Golden Gems. What is he? Podcast. Yes, the Golden Gems podcast. You here with the one and only, your host, Relly. And hey, where else would you rather go? Where else would you rather be than sitting here right now? Yes, right now. Getting these gems. What is he? From your boy. Hey, make sure, before we start, make sure you're sending this to everybody. Your mama, your daddy, your brother, friend, sister, friend of another friend, baby sister, little cousin, little Jimmy, little Johnny. And don't forget about little Susie, who just moved up the block. You know, hey, they just moved in. They need some gems too. They need to know how to navigate this thing called life. You understand me? So don't keep all these gems. What is he? To yourself. You understand me? So without further ado, man, you read the title. The title is Motivational Monday. The title says a lot about what we're talking about. The title is going to prepare you for your journey of success, for you in the future, for you to go get your money, for you to go get your generational wealth. This segment of Motivational Monday today is going to help you. And not only going to help you, it's going to help the ones around you. And not only it's going to help the ones around you, it's going to help everybody in the universe and the whole world. Because guess what? You can't keep these gems to yourself. So share the wealth, share the love, and make sure you send this to everybody once again. Hey. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. So today is Motivational Monday. All right. Excuse my noise chiming. All right. Sorry about that. But anyway, today we are talking about responsibility. Responsibility. Yes. The state of or fact of having a duty to deal with something or having control over someone. A true leader takes responsibility for their team and helps others in their team achieve their goals. So with responsibility, it is you being in charge, you having a duty to deal with something, you being equipped properly to deal with something. Because guess what? With responsibility, it comes high honor and high respect. Because when somebody deems that you're responsible, when somebody deems that you can handle a certain situation, when somebody deems that you're a leader, that you can handle any obstacle that gets in your way, hey, guess what? That means you one step closer to your dreams, you one step closer to your success, and you one step closer to getting everything that you want. So with being responsible, it can factor into a lot of different things. Being responsible is you taking care of what you need to do when you need to do it. It's you showing up when you need to, on time, when it needs to be done. And it's you having the courage and the conviction that, hey, I'm in control of this. I'm running this thing. This ship is mine. And guess what? I'm going to steer straight on the land. Whether we get some storms, whether we get some high waves, whether we get a whole tornado, guess what? I'm going to weather the storm and I'm going to get us out. And sometimes with great responsibility, that means you are leading more than one person. You're leading more than just yourself. You understand me? And if you are put in a situation to where you have to be responsible, where you have to be in control of someone else's destiny, someone else's I want to say their plight and where they're going to. When you're in control, sometimes you have to go ahead and put on that leadership hat and, hey, let's rock and roll. It's up to you. Being responsible, it doesn't have anything to do with no one else, but it's up to you, because you can show that you're responsible by your actions. You can show that you're responsible by the way you carry yourself. You can show that you're responsible and you're ready for what you say you really want by showing that you're responsible. You understand me? It's a lot of different things that comes with responsibility. Are you responsible enough to pay your bills on time? Are you responsible enough to show up to work on time and show up to your duties on time? Are you responsible enough to make sure that the other people around you are prepared and ready for whatever the duty and task is, if you have that responsibility over someone else? Are you responsible enough to go get your dreams? Are you disciplined enough to go get your goals? Are you ready enough to go get what you say you want? These are the questions that you have to ask yourself, especially when you're thinking about responsibility. Responsibility goes with everything. You need to be responsible for your goals, for your dreams, and your success. Responsibility is on you. You have to be in charge of your success. You have to take charge of your success. You have to be the man or the woman at the head of the table on a journey to your success. You can't put your success in nobody else's hands. You can't put the responsibility to get where you want to be in your life in nobody else's hands. The responsibility to go get your dreams and your goals are in your hands. The responsibility to go get everything that you want in this life is in your hands. The responsibility to go chase that thing that you so badly want, that thing that you so badly and desperately want to attain, that is up to you. That's not up to nobody else. The responsibility ain't on me, it ain't on your mama, it ain't on your daddy, your brother, your sister, friend of another friend. It ain't on nobody. You are responsible. This journey is yours. You are responsible for your own journey. You are responsible for your own unique path. You can't wait on nobody else. You can't let nobody deter you. You can't let these distractions of the world that get hit with you every day. Every day, you get hit with distraction after distraction after distraction. You got to be responsible, man. You got to be responsible enough to turn off that TV. You got to be responsible enough to turn off Netflix for the night. You have to be responsible enough to stop listening to music and go ahead and read a book or two. You have to be responsible enough to go ahead and, work on your business plan. Work on your career outside of the career that you're doing. You have to be responsible and take responsibility of your success, your goals, and where you want to be. Responsibility, man, it's an opportunity for you to act independently and make decisions of authority. It's for you to show that, I can handle this. I'm more than capable. I'm more than prepared. I'm ready for this. Responsibility is you showing the world and showing the people around you that, damn, hold on. If we relied on him, he got our back. If we got to trust him, he got us. He got my six. If we need him, I know she got me. If we need her, I know that she ain't going to surrender. She ain't going to retreat. She's going to be right by my side. Responsibility, man, is huge. You have to be able to take accountability too with responsibility, because responsibility goes with accountability, because accountability is something that you have to take authority of. You have to be accountable for your actions, and you have to make sure that you ain't blaming nobody. We ain't doing this blame game. It's you versus you. It's you versus that reflection in the mirror every single day. It's you versus your goals, versus your dreams, versus that person in the mirror who wakes up every day just like you, who wants what you want, who really thrives off of going after what they want, who really thrives off of being in a fight, who really thrives off of sometimes being at the bottom and having to build their way up, who really thrives when people forget about them, who really thrives when people say, nah, they can't do it, who really thrives when people doubt you. You thrive when all odds are against you. You thrive when your back is against the wall. You thrive when your whole house, the car, the kids, you thrive when your stuff is under penetration, when your stuff is under attack. You thrive in those situations. You take the responsibility on to know that, we're going to be all right. You take that responsibility to know I'm not sweating it. You take that responsibility to know that I got this. You take that responsibility to know that it's all on me. If we get the shore, it's because of me. If we don't get the shore, it's because of me. I hold that responsibility. I'm a controller of this ship. I'm the captain now. You understand me? You the captain, man. You the captain of your ship. You the captain of your life. You the captain of your story. You the captain of your journey. You the captain, man. So the responsibility is all on you. It's all up to you. Be responsible. Do things when you say you're going to do them. Show up to things when you got to be there on time. Hey, trust me, I'll be late all the time. You understand me? But with the important things, I'm always there on time, though. You feel me? Some things, it's 50-50. That's just how I live my life. It be like that. You live your life according to you. I live my life according to me. It be like that. That's how the world go around. My responsibilities are my responsibilities. Your responsibilities are your responsibilities. Our responsibilities shouldn't align sometimes unless we in the same field doing the same thing on the same day. You feel me? Then we both might be in charge. Then I can go ahead and I can rely on you just like you can rely on me. You feel me? You understand? But seriously, though, you have to take responsibility of your life. You cannot blame nobody else. It's not anybody's fault why you're not in the position that you want to be in. It's not anybody's fault why you wake up every day and you're not happy. It's not anybody's fault why you wake up in that same situation and you feel like you ain't going nowhere. It's not anybody's fault that you're not taking initiative to go get your dreams, to go get your goals, to go get what you want, to obtain your generational wealth. It's not anybody's fault but yours. Look yourself in the mirror, take accountability, then take responsibility for you putting yourself in that situation. And guess what? It's going to be all right because you're a winner. It's going to be all right because you got that dog in you. It's going to be all right because you powerful. It's going to be all right because you strong. It's going to be all right because you prepared for it. God prepared you for this. This journey is yours. That success is already yours. Those goals and those dreams are already yours. Take responsibility and take action right now. Grind right now. Work right now. Hey, success ain't got no days off. Hey, your goals, they don't take no vacations. Lil Susie and Lil Johnny, who want the same thing you want, they ain't on vacation. They ain't looking around to have no stops on their journey. They going full steam ahead. They ain't ready to stop no time soon. So what you stopping for? What you trying to take a vacation for? What you saying you tired for? You ain't tired, man. You not tired. You better go ahead. Hey, like I said, put that work hat on, strap them work boots on, and hey, we ain't stopping. We going. We working. Your journey, your life is your responsibility. Take responsibility of where you're headed. Take responsibility of what you want. Take responsibility of your life and take responsibility of the people that you have around you. Because guess what? Those people that you got around you, your circle, those are people who either going to take you to that next level or who going to hinder you. You feel me? You got those pushers and then you got those pullers. You got those people that take away from you. I need this. Can you help me with this? Can you do that? Can you do that? Hey, can you wait? Let's talk about Lil Johnny. Let's talk about Lil Susie, even though it don't matter. And then you got those pushers. Hey, you need help with this? Hey, keep going. Hey, I like that. Hey, I saw that last week. Hey, I think this idea will help with you. Hey, you can go ahead. And then you got those pushers. Keep going. Hey, I see you. If you need help, hey, let me know. Those pushers. Hey, I'm proud of you. Those pushers. Hey, can you help me with this? Hey, nah, I can't help you today, but I need you to help me with this. Oh, nah, Lil Susie, you know Lil Susie. You know she always talking about that. I hate Lil Susie. They having those conversations with you? They ain't telling you good job. They ain't telling you, hey, keep going. They ain't telling you, hey, I watched your podcast last week. Hey, you had a good podcast. Guess what? It's your responsibility to identify those pushers and identify those pullers, those people who taking away from you. Identify the people who pushing you towards your success, pushing you towards your goals, pushing you towards where you want to be. And then identify the people who taking away from you being focused on your goals, you being focused on your dreams, you heading down the path that you want, you getting your generational wealth. Come on, man. At the end of the day, it's pretty straightforward. Pretty straightforward. You got to learn to take responsibility. Take responsibility for your life. Take responsibility for your actions. And hey, you're going to be just fine. This life acquires us. I said acquires. You know I got one of them every episode. But anyway, this life requires us to really be responsible, man, for our actions, for the situations that we put ourselves in, and for what happens to us. Sometimes things happen that's out of our control, but we can carry the responsibility of how we respond. Are you going to respond as a leader? Are you going to respond as someone who really wants what they say they want? The hard worker, the grinder, the one that goes to work for everything they want? Or are you going to tuck your tail, surrender, retreat, say, nah, I don't want it. Say, nah, that's not for me. Nah, I don't really want that success. Nah, I don't really want them dreams. It just sound good. It just sound cool. It's a lot of stuff out here in this world that just sound cool. A lot of stuff out here that just look cool. But is it sustainable? Is it worth your headache? Is it worth the trouble? Is it worth what the eyes of the world tell you is worth when it's really not worth anything? It's not worth your trouble. It's not worth your headache. Take the accountability, then have the responsibility to put yourself in certain situations to come out on the other side. You're going to be just fine. Have some responsibility, take accountability, and hey, your goals, your dreams, and your success is going to be all in your hands. So without further ado, hey, but hold on. Before we get out of here, seriously, I got this to say. Hey, I got a lot of special things coming for y'all. Hey, if you're a fan of the RellyGemz podcast, man, like this right now, if you're a fan, if you really like what you see, if you like me, comment down below. Tell me, hey, I want to hear this on Motivational Mondays. Hey, I want to see this. I want to do that. Hey, let me know. Comment down below. But guess what? I promise you, hey, it's up from here. And hey, the RellyGemz podcast. We just eating up now. So make sure you stay tuned. And hey, make sure you take responsibility and accountability for your life. Be responsible, man. And go get your dreams and your goals. Because they ain't going to wait on you. I'm not waiting on me. So I'm not finna wait. Yeah, and it's straight like that. Thank you for tuning in to the RellyGemz podcast. And that has been another hell of an episode. Deuces.
Hey, we live now, really.